Hello everyone, welcome to our channel here on YouTube. In this video, we will be introducing how to ask and answer questions in English. To ask a question in English, it is important to use the appropriate question words such as what, where, when, why, and how. To answer a question in English, it is important to understand the question and give a clear and concise response. Therefore, if you want to learn how to ask and answer questions in English effectively, please follow our upcoming video.
Do. Does. Do you like pizza? Do you like pizza?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you like pizza? Do you like pizza?
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Does she speak Spanish fluently? Does she speak Spanish fluently?
Yes, she does. Yes, she does.
Does she speak Spanish fluently? Does she speak Spanish fluently?
No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't.
Do they have a car? Do they have a car?
Yes, they do. Yes, they do.
Do they have a car? Do they have a car?
No, they don't. No, they don't.
Is. Are. Is it raining outside? Is it raining outside?
Yes, it is raining outside. Yes, it is raining outside.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry. Yes, I am hungry.
Is your favorite color green? Is your favorite color green?
No, my favorite color is blue. No, my favorite color is blue.
Are you going to the party tonight? Are you going to the party tonight?
Yes, I am going to the party tonight. Yes, I am going to the party tonight.
What? What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Emma. My name is Emma.
What are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend?
I am going to a concert. I am going to a concert.
What do you want to eat for dinner tonight? What do you want to eat for dinner tonight?
I'm in the mood for some sushi. I'm in the mood for some sushi.
What does your sister like to do in her free time? What does your sister like to do in her free time?
She enjoys reading and hiking. She enjoys reading and hiking.
Where? Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from USA. I'm from USA.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in California. I live in California.
Where does she work? Where does she work?
She works at a bank. She works at a bank.
Where do they usually go for vacation? Where do they usually go for vacation?
They usually go to the beach. They usually go to the beach.
Where is the nearest hospital? Where is the nearest hospital?
The nearest hospital is on Main Street. The nearest hospital is on Main Street.
When? When do the stores close? When do the stores close?
The stores close at 9 p.m. The stores close at 9 p.m.
When does the concert start? When does the concert start?
The concert starts at 7 p.m. The concert starts at 7 p.m.
When do you usually go to bed? When do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed at around 11 p.m. I usually go to bed at around 11 p.m.
When does the train arrive in Boston? When does the train arrive in Boston?
The train arrives in Boston at 5 p.m. The train arrives in Boston at 5 p.m.
Who? Who is going to the party tonight? Who is going to the party tonight?
John and Sarah are going to the party tonight. John and Sarah are going to the party tonight.
Who are going to watch a movie with you? Who are going to watch a movie with you?
I'm going with my friends from work. I'm going with my friends from work.
Who do you usually have lunch with? Who do you usually have lunch with?
I usually have lunch with my colleagues. I usually have lunch with my colleagues.
Who does this car belong to? Who does this car belong to?
The car belongs to my sister. The car belongs to my sister.
Whose? Whose car is parked outside? Whose car is parked outside?
It belongs to my neighbor. It belongs to my neighbor.
Whose turn is it to wash the dishes? Whose turn is it to wash the dishes?
It's my sister's turn. It's my sister's turn.
Whose book is this on the table? Whose book is this on the table?
It's mine. It's mine.
Why? Why did you miss the meeting? Why did you miss the meeting?
I missed the meeting because I had a family emergency. I missed the meeting because I had a family emergency.
Why do you want to learn English? Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because it is an international language and it will help me communicate with people from different countries. I want to learn English because it is an international language and it will help me communicate with people from different countries.
Why is it important to exercise regularly? Why is it important to exercise regularly?
It is important to exercise regularly because it helps maintain a healthy body. It is important to exercise regularly because it helps maintain a healthy body.
Which color do you prefer, blue or green? Which color do you prefer, blue or green?
I prefer blue. I prefer blue.
Which movie did you watch last night? Which movie did you watch last night?
I watched The Matrix last night. I watched The Matrix last night.
How? How do you get to the train station? How do you get to the train station?
I usually take the bus. I usually take the bus.
How long have you been studying English? How long have you been studying English?
I have been studying English for about 5 years. I have been studying English for about 5 years.
How often do you exercise? How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week. I exercise 3 times a week.
How many brothers and sisters do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
How much does this jacket cost? How much does this jacket cost?
It costs $50. It costs $50.
How far is the airport from here? How far is the airport from here?
It's about 10 miles away. It's about 10 miles away.
Can, may, will, could. Can you pass me the salt, please? Can you pass me the salt, please? Sure, here you go. Sure, here you go. Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. May I use the restroom? May I use the restroom? Of course, it's down the hall on the right. Of course, it's down the hall on the right. Will you be able to attend the meeting tomorrow? Will you be able to attend the meeting tomorrow? I'm afraid I won't be able to make it. I'm afraid I won't be able to make it. Could you please repeat that? Could you please repeat that? Sure, I said we need to finish the project by Friday. Sure, I said we need to finish the project by Friday.
Thank you for watching our video on how to ask and answer questions in English. We hope that you have found the information provided to be useful and beneficial for improving your English language skills. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on English language learning. Thank you for your time, and we hope to see you again in our next video. Goodbye.